You'll learn key Agile ideas, simple terms, and tools teams use daily to build great projects. We'll keep it light and practical. Let's start with the basics. The Agile Manifesto guides teams with 4 values and 12 principles: people over process, working results over plans, and learning as you go. Every project uses a backlog, a to-do list of all tasks from small to big. Each item is a user story, like, as a user, I want this feature so I can do that. Work happens in a sprint, a focused period, usually 2 to 4 weeks, to finish specific tasks. Scrum is a popular Agile framework that structures how teams plan, build, and review work. In Scrum, the product owner decides what's most important and updates the backlog. The Scrum Master helps the team stay focused and removes obstacles. Stakeholders are those who care about the project, like clients or managers. Before each sprint planning sets tasks. Afterward, a sprint review shows progress, and a retrospective discusses improvements. Some teams use Kanban, which visualizes work and keeps it flowing smoothly. On a Kanban board, columns show stages like to do, in progress, or done. Velocity measures work finished for sprint, using story points to estimate task size. An epic is a large task broken into smaller stories. Burn down and burn up charts track progress. The goal is an MVP, a simple version for early user feedback. Acceptance criteria define when work is done, and a definition of done ensures everyone agrees. Developers use continuous integration to merge code often and continuous delivery to ensure constant readiness for release. Agile work is time-bound, using time boxes. Each iteration ends with a retrospective for improvement. A spike is an experiment. Daily stand-up meetings share progress and blockers. Agile leaders practice servant leadership, removing barriers. Teams are cross-functional with all necessary skills. At sprint end, the team delivers an increment, a usable product piece. A release plan maps future features. Developers use test-driven development, pair programming, and refactor code to clean it up. Teams consider the value stream from idea to delivery, mapped visually with a roadmap. Each feature adds value. An Agile coach helps teams improve. Flow is the ideal state where work moves smoothly without delays. You've learned the core language of Agile, connecting to how teams plan, deliver, and improve. Join thousands of learners using Lumentai to accelerate their project management careers. Visit lumentai.com for a free account and start your first lesson today. Learn smart, pass confidently, and lead projects like a pro with Lumentai.